Hello all, welcome back. Today we are going to do a very quick session on how do we access the clipboard from your local laptops into the remote session of the Bastion host and vice versa, along with how do we open the Bastion host in a full screen view. So without further ado, let's get started with a quick demo. So let's open the portal using our favorite browser, portal.azure.com. So I'm going to open the virtual machine test Windows 1, which is the same virtual machine which we have created in our last video. So I'm going to connect using the Azure Bastion host. I'm going to give the username and the password and click on connect. So this is going to open a new window. If you see here, I'm getting a notification whether to allow text and images to be copied to the clipboard. So I'm going to allow this. This is the first step of how do we allow the clipboard to be accessed within your remote session. Okay, so the remote session has now opened up. So in order to test the clipboard, I'm going to open a notepad and say that this is some sample text from my laptop. So I'm going to Control C. Okay. I'm going back to the remote session. If you click on these two arrow marks here, you can see that my clipboard which is shared, and I can see the same text from my laptop here. Ideally, if for some reason the clipboard content is not copied here, you could edit it directly here. So this is a fresh edit from the remote session. You can close it here. And now I'm going to basically open a notepad . Okay, so here if you see edit and paste, you can see the same text which is present from here. So if you see the text which we had copied has gone, that is because I did not do a Control C to the clipboard. So this is a fresh edit from my remote machine. So I'll do a Control C. Okay, closing this. And if I paste again, you would see that the entire text has come up here. Okay, so if I have to copy the clipboard content from my remote machine into my actual laptop, all I'm going to do is open a notepad here and show you paste. If you see here, the same content has come over, which means that the clipboard is shared between my laptop and the Bastion host. If you have to open this view in a full screen, I have to again click on these two arrows and go in a full screen mode. So this is a full screen mode. And if I have to go back to the normal mode, I have to click on the escape. Press escape to exit the full screen. So I'm going to escape. So a very quick recap. The first step is to connect to the Bastion, giving your username and password. The next is to allow the text and images copied to the clipboard so that the same clipboard can be accessed within your remote session. The third step is to open this two arrow marks here to see what is the contents in the clipboard. And fourth is click the same two arrow buttons to go to the full screen mode. Thank you so much. Hope that these small tips are helpful for you. Stay tuned for the next videos.